Semiya Payasam. This is a traditional Onam sweet. The ingredients that you will need are 2.5 tablespoons of ghee, 1 cup of semiya, 2 liters of milk, 1 big can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 crushed cardamom, half cup of cashew nuts, and half cup of raisins. First, we're going to put on our flame. Then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of ghee and put it in. If your vermicelli is not roasted, you have to fry it till it gets a golden brown color and the fragrant smell comes. I am using roasted vermicelli, so I will have to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Vermicelli is now roasted, so I'm going to add my milk in. Now that my milk is poured in, I'm just going to stir it so that it's well combined. So you have to bring it to a boil and then reduce it to low flame to a simmer. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes for the vermicelli to get soft. My milk is boiling and I'm going to turn the flame to a low. So you have to let it simmer till the vermicelli is completely soft. In between, you want to stir the mixture so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. Onam is a festival that we celebrate in Kerala. All the people of Kerala celebrate it. It is a festival where we wear traditional dresses and we have a vegetarian meal called the Onam Sadhya with lots of dishes. We also make flower designs that are called pookalam, and everyone is happy and the festive spirit is in the air. Now let me check whether the vermicelli is soft. It has completely softened, and now I'm going to add in the condensed milk. When you have put the condensed milk in, you have to then stir till it's completely combined. Now that the condensed milk is combined, you have to let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. It's been a good 5 minutes and the milk and the condensed milk have combined. We can turn off our flame and add in our crushed cardamom. Now our payasam is ready. All we have left to do is fry the nuts and raisins and add it in. Now I'm going to turn on my flame and take approximately half tablespoon of ghee and put it in. Now the ghee is heated, so I'm going to add in my cashew nuts. And I'm going to fry them till they are golden brown. Now that my cashew nuts have browned, I'm going to add in my raisins. My cashew nuts and raisins are done. So all we have left to do is put it into our payasam and stir. Now our payasam is ready. Now let's see how it tastes. We finished making our payasam. Let's see how it tastes. That is absolutely delicious. You should definitely try this recipe. I'm wishing all of you a happy Onam and I hope you get to taste lots of payasams. Ellarkum Onam.